What is going on, lady boys? We're out here on the trials bike. I'm sure you guys seen by the thumbnail, you're like, what is going on? Why is there a RZR flying 400 feet, about 100 feet in the air? It's because it's my buddy Phil Smagical Smodgy. He needs the lady boys' help. The Hilltop Squad, we gotta come together and help one of my good buddies out. He was filming he was out shoot, where were they at? Tennessee, I believe. He was filming for Travis Pastrana's new action figure 2 movie, and he was gonna do the world record RZR jump, and he did it. All right, the dude sent it. So I think the record was like 250, or maybe that's how far he was trying to go. And he did some practice jumps at 180, and when it came down to, I don't know if wind was a factor or what happened, but he sent that thing so far. It looked like he went, you know, a couple hundred feet past the landing. Super scary. And the deal was, I've been telling you guys that I've been working on stuff, and I haven't been posting too much lately, only because I've been trying to practice on this thing. So me and Phil, about a couple months ago, we got a show booked up in Turlock, California for the Stanislaus County Fair. It's a 10-day fair, and we're doing trials demonstrations out there. So I got like this big 40-foot show trailer, and we do all kinds of stunts. Phil does backflips all over the thing, and we had that planned. And so now, with what happened to Phil and stuff, I'm gonna have to fly in Smalls. So he's gonna come out and help me and stuff. And Phil's doing good. It was about 40 days ago, I think. I follow his updates.
Day 1 in ICU. Just had surgery last night. Got 4 vertebrae fused together in my neck. Got a broken and bruised collarbone, broken ribs, broken wrists, broken body, but not broken spirit. I can get my big toe to move in my foot. And that's something that nobody expected to happen, so we're gonna fight through this one and give it a virtual thumbs up, but my fingers don't move, they just lock into position, cramped. So thumbs up, we're moving forward from here.
On his Instagram and his YouTube channel too, Phil Smodgy, and you go follow all his updates and stuff, and it's crazy. I mean, this dude, it is so inspirational to watch this. The dude goes from cannot feeling his body at all from his chest down, to he's walking upstairs. I mean, I just seen he got on one of Travis's RZRs again. He didn't send the jump again, but I think he might be planning on it.
We're gonna try and overcome some fears. Since I saw the jump yesterday at the premiere, I figured it's time to get back in the RZR and give it another go. You got this. Thanks, buddy. Oops, knocking over Tim's CD.
No, not the CD.
That's a good CD. Everybody should check that out. Tim Montana. Came and ripped it up at the party last night.
Just to clarify, he doesn't want help.
Good.
On the steering wheel it says, if you are not Travis, you do not drive this, so I was gonna drive it if I didn't see that.
Can I go for a ride?
Oh, I don't need that anyway. For where we're going, we don't need shoes. Alright. First step's over, I got in. Now, where's that world record jump again? Point me in the right direction. Just over a month ago, I was upside down in one of these with no feeling in my body, and now I got all that going on. I can do that, and most importantly, this.
But the dude is crazy. The attitude he has and stuff for it is unreal. So what I got going on is, let me pull it out of my old trusty backpack here. We got shirts, Smalls. I think I gotta give the credit to Smalls for getting them made. He got hang on, I got it here somewhere. he got some sweet shirts made for Phil. All right, check these puppies out right here. Oh, this is not good with the wind right here. Hang on. Let's see here. Let me show you guys. Oh shoot, we're having some problems here. Come on. Oh, really? Okay, we're just gonna try this like this. Alright guys, we're just gonna stick this thing to the fence right here. It is #Smagical Strong, and then it has the Learn More at Road to Recovery / Phil Smodgy. It's got the little shaka. We got the goat right here. That's like his mascot. He has so many sick goats. And then the back is the coolest part. It says "You goat this" with this little emblem. So it's pretty cool. We got these things. We don't have a lot of them right now. So we got like a couple larges. We got quite a few smalls and extra larges. So you guys got to get these things while they're hot, because I don't know when the next batch is coming in and everything. So all 100% of the proceeds go straight to Phil, and they're going to go towards his rehab and just everyday bills and stuff. I don't think insurance is really covering a lot of that. So this is going to help out a ton, lady boys. So whatever you guys could do will definitely help Phil. And I just launched actually my brand new website. So I reorganized the entire Joey Mac store, all the merchandise. We got a brand new website with new shipping. I got like new printers, everything to ship stuff. So it's going to be wicked fast, and I'll be shipping that stuff out twice a week. So I'm thinking Tuesday probably, and like Friday I'll be shipping. So when you guys order, I'm going to get that out as fast as possible. No more waiting around. I got everything pretty freaking dialed just in time to sling Phil's shirts for him. So whatever you guys can do will definitely help. Phil is badass. It's a bummer that he couldn't make it out for our show that we got going on, but we're gonna hold it down for him, that's for sure. So if you guys are out there by the Stanislaus County Fair, you guys got to come watch us. It's gonna be fun. There's like a bunch of top country singers and stuff like that are gonna be out there. And yeah, I think it'll be a good time. I gotta learn how to ride this thing, so maybe I'll get some third person. You guys can watch me practice a little bit. And I got about 3 or 4 days to practice, so I think we'll be good. The trailer isn't even really close to being ready, so I'll show you guys that maybe in another video. I just painted it blue and gold, so I think you guys are gonna like that a lot. So it'll be a good time.